Configure general ledger and accounting groups to automate accurate procurement accounting. Financial control begins in the Procurement Dashboard, the hub for monitoring organizational spending. Other Masters provides the underlying configuration for accounting and geographical standards. General ledger categorizes every transaction to ensure accurate reporting and audit readiness. The ledger index displays active accounts, reconciliation status, and current approval levels. General ledger name establishes the formal identity for financial tracking within the system. Procurement service charges. Remarks provide internal context regarding the account use case for future audits. Submitting the record finalizes the account entry and triggers integration with the workflow. IsRecon-GL indicates if the account requires manual reconciliation during period-end closing. Activity log tracks every modification, identifying the user and the nature of change. Strategic account management ensures all procurement costs map to the correct financial categories. Export functions allow for the secure transfer of ledger data into external tools. Marked as Recon flags the entry as verified, streamlining the final consolidation process. Selecting specific records allows for bulk actions, such as removing reconciliation flags. Remove as Recon reverses the verification status if a correction is required. Success validations confirm the ledger status is updated and synchronized across the database. Accounting groups define the relationship between inventory assets and cost of sales accounts. Group name establishes the primary identifier linking specific goods to designated financial rules. Inventory asset determines if items within this group are treated as balance sheet assets. Asset purchase general ledger specifies the account used when acquiring these materials. Purchase return general ledger captures the financial reversal when items are sent back. Inventory adjustment account manages discrepancies between physical counts and system records. Provisional general ledger holds estimated costs until the final invoice is matched. Tax group and WHT group enforce compliance by applying local tax and withholding rates. Default cost center assigns expenses to departments to measure operational budget performance. Default profit center identifies the unit responsible for the associated procurement activity. Tax calculation determines if taxes are added to the price or included. Saving these configurations ensures every item purchase triggers the correct accounting entries. The accounting group index provides a transparent view of asset classification and rules. Detailed activity logs maintain a permanent audit trail of changes to these financial mappings. Proper ledger and group configuration automates financial accuracy and reduces manual closing errors. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.